In this video, I'll show you how you can create bookmark folders in Google Chrome so you can organize your bookmarks. To do this, what you need to do is open up Chrome. Then if you go to the three dots in the top right hand corner, you can go to bookmarks and lists. And here if you click on Bookmark Manager, you'll be able to see your bookmark bar as well as any other bookmarks that you may have made. Now, if you wanted to create a folder on the bookmarks bar, you could just right click after you've clicked on bookmarks bar. Then you can click add new folder, and I'll just call this folder YouTube. That will then create a folder on the bookmarks bar, so when we open up a new tab, we'll be able to see it. If you're browsing any normal window, if you click Control, Shift and B, that will toggle it on and off. Now if you wanted to bookmark a website and put it in this folder, we can click on the bookmark icon in the top right, then you can choose the folder and you can put it into the relevant folder, so that will be YouTube for me. We can click done. Now we've added this to the folder. If at any point we wanted to move the folder, we could come back to the bookmark manager by going to the three dots, then clicking bookmarks and lists, bookmark manager, and you could then move this to another folder. So you could move folders into subfolders and really organize your files if needed.